Here's a pair of the Groove On earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone or a Samsung phone via Bluetooth, okay? Now we're talking about this On Groove model, okay? We're not talking about this one here, nor this one, okay? So we're doing this one here. So the first thing is, let's put this in a pairing mode, okay? Make sure the buds are in here. Now when you open this up, if you get a rapid white blinking light on both sides, that means it's in pairing mode, okay? I don't get like a rapid white blinking light. I get a slow blinking light here. I think because I'm connected to another phone right now, okay? So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, what I have to do is go to the phone or your the device or TV, whatever you're connected. Like I'm connected to my iPhone right now. What I can do is go to my iPhone here, and if I click on settings and then go to Bluetooth, you can see right down here. If I go to Bluetooth, and you can see I was connected, okay? It's paired to this phone here. So if I want to put this into pairing mode, what I can do is click on the eye, and I can forget this device, or it's connected now, or I can disconnect, okay? So remove it from the pairing device or disconnect, and as soon as I do that, then this will start blinking white rapidly, okay? But I don't want to go ahead and disconnect from my other phone or take it off the pairing list. So what I'm going to do is close it. I'm going to wait till the light turns off, okay? And then what I'm going to do is, once the lights is off, I'm going to open the lid. I'm going to press and hold this bottom on the bottom here and wait until I get a flashing white light on both sides, okay? So now I'm going to open it up. Now I'm going to press and hold that button. Ready to go. Press and hold. I'm going to keep holding and just wait until I get a rapid white blinking light. Still holding. Okay, now it's blinking fast. It's blinking rapidly. Now we're going to hurry up and go to our Android phone here. And we're going to go to our settings. By the way, this Android phone is the Samsung Galaxy S25. From here, you want to go to Bluetooth. And now, see that little spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode under here. Okay, it's still in the pairing mode. It's blinking white, and I found it right here. It already found it, so let me tap on that. Pairing request. I'm going to tap on pair right there. And voila, you can see now we're connected for calls and audio. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.